So, nang dahil sa mahal ko kayo, tignan niyo yung ginagawa ko. And to all my followers out there, kapag nag-comment kayo, nilalagay ko yun siya sa Kilo Notes, sa digital notes ko. Yan. Ayan o, meron akong parang pa-journal. Yan, notebook yan guys. Tignan nyo. Digital notebook. Tapos, pag i-open ko yan, nandyan na yung notes. Diba? Ito yung ano ko. Ito yung notes ko. Diba? Cute. Yan. Mga to-do list and any affirmations. Tapos yan, nagko-comment kayo, diba? So, puntaan natin dito si A, sabi niya, more probing questions daw when it comes to telco during mock call. So, ganito. May ibang company, guys, na during mock call is meron silang ibibigay sa'yo na script or before kayo mag-mock call is pinabasa na kayo ng script bago kayo mapunta sa loob ng interview room. Okay? So, ganito yan. Let's say, tumawag si customer like, hello, I am just planning or inquiring to be part of your company. Ganon. Siyempre, let's say, yung company natin is Telco prepaid account and each prepaid account or diba sa iba't ibang company, meron iba't ibang plan. So, ito yung example. So, ganyan B. So, let's say, merong 1-month plan, no data, only calls and text. Merong 1-month plan with data, only calls and text, 5 GB. Tapos merong 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months plan. And each 3 months, 6 months plan, 12 months plan, pwede mo siyang, mag-choose yung customer 3 months 5 GB ba, 3 months 10 GB, 3 months 15, 3 months 20, 3 months only, and 6 months 5 GB, 6 months 10 GB, 6 months 15, and so on and so forth. Same goes with the 12 months unlimited. Let's say sabi ni customer, could you tell me more about your plans and its prices? Yung mga dapat kong malaman before I'm gonna really buy a plan with you guys. So, syempre, yung probing questions mo dun is sasabihin mo, oh, thank you so much, Mr. Customer. I-acknowledge mo for having an interest and being part of ABC company. Ganun. And then, I would, if you don't mind asking, how do you usually use your cellular data? Okay, how do you usually use your phone? Ganon. Let's say, sasabihin niya na, I usually use my phone using Google Maps. I always browse Google News, ganon. Tapos, I always browse the internet. Tapos, isasay ko mo yan based sa tone of voice ng customer, based din sa name, ganon. If malaman mo, 20 years old na pala to, or 15 years old na pala to. Siyempre, yung demographic ng customer na yun, di ba alam naman natin na ano talaga yung mga age range ng 20 years old or 15 years old up until 30s or 20 years old, ganun, is parang scroll talaga sa social media. So, syempre, kapag parang scroll ng social media, it's either you're gonna recommend them sa unlimited plan. Kasi yung unlimited plan talaga kasi ng mga telco companies, guys, is mas nakakatipid ka. Okay? They price it lower. Kasi yun nga, if you're gonna buy in bulk, diba, or maramihan, diba, may discount. Unlike if tagi-tagi ka or isa-isa yung bibilhin mo, di ba, mas nagiging mahal. Di ba, ganun din yun dito sa TikTok, di ba? Or sa any other selling platforms, ganun yun. And then, tatanungin mo din, like, do you have Wi-Fi at home? Kasi kapag may Wi-Fi siya sa bahay, wag mo nang isa-suggest yung unlimited. Kasi may Wi-Fi naman pala sila sa bahay. So, tatanungin mo na lang, okay, if you are in Wi-Fi, do you always call and text your loved ones, ganun. Siyempre, para malaman mo din kung ano yung i-recommend mo na plan based on his or her own usage. Okay? Hindi pwedeng to salesy ka or hard selling ka na, eto talaga bibilin mo kahit hindi naman swak kay customer. Kasi magagalit yan. Let's say, pagkaroon nyo ng plan niya, magagalit yan siya kapag malaman niya na, I am paying too much on what I have been using. Okay? Let's say, ang nagamit niya lang, kasi nag-recommend ka ng unlimited plan, kasi ang gamit niya lang pala 1 gigabyte lang. Oh. Tapos na-recommend mo siya niyan, magagalit siya, magpapaas pa yan ng refund, Okay, so, wag talaga nun. Always put your own shoes sa customer and you really need to really ask. And that's part of the training, guys. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Guys, andyan yung mga trainer. The trainers are also once an agent. Malalaman mo yan kasi magsi-self-introductory yung mga trainers on how many years na ba sila sa line of business or sa account na tinitrain nila. Ganon. And then, you always need to ask din ano yung mode of messaging nila. And usually kasi yung ibang bansa gumagamit ng WhatsApp. Hindi sila, ewan ko, sa atin dito sa Philippines, ginagamit natin, Meta, like Facebook, Messenger, sila, WhatsApp. I think WhatsApp is also part of Meta. I don't know. Basta, ginagamit ng Meta, minsan Telegram, minsan Snapchat. At least malalaman mo, okay, ganito yung mga specific MB na ginagamit ng ganito, ganyan. And dapat din, marunong ka makiramdam sa tone of voice ng customer. Matanda ba to? Ka-age mo lang ba? So, syempre kapag ka-age mo, mabilis kang makapag-build ng rapport, di ba? Like, you also watch TikTok. Okay. Who are your, tawag dito, sino ba yung mga content creators na sina-follow mo? Maybe I'm also ganun. Pero wag too much rapport. Okay? Like, too friendly, ganun kasi magugulat ka na lang, 1 hour na kayong nag-usap kasi si customer din pala talkative. And namatay yung AHT mo. Hahabulin mo yun, ibababa mo yun sa next call mo, ganon. So, yeah, ganon siya. That's how you probe. Like, you would know what are the probing questions once you're already in the training. Kasi tuturuan kayo ng mga trainer niyan. And then, magugulat kayo, yung trainer niyo pala is pioneering na batch sa telco account na kung saan ititrain ka kasi wave number 1 pala sila yung unang salang na batch. Okay, na magugulat yung, hello, sabi ni trainer, guto daw, tapos sa amin, madali na lang daw kasi meron ng mga guide sila, wala pa silang mga guide, tanong pa sila ng tanong sa ganito, ganyan. So, doon pa lang, masasay ko muna na, nag-i-improve talaga yung account, na, ang galing. Kasi nagtutulungan talaga yung tao, meron talaga silang guide, meron yung trainer, like professional talaga. Okay, that's how you pro, guys. Huwag na huwag kayong matatakot if ever hindi ka tech savvy. Ako din hindi naman. Pero lahat natutunan, guys. If you are just really open to learn and willing kang magtanong talaga sa trainer, guys, kapag nandun kayo sa training room, huwag naman kayong silent lang. Paano kayo matututo? Magtanong kayo. Kasi yung mga trainer na yan, para lang din yung teacher kapag hindi kayo pala tanong, kayo yung tatanungin. Kung hindi kayo pala sagot, kayo yung papasagutin. Kaya kapag kayo yung pala tanong, kayo yung pala sagot, hindi na kayo, parang hindi na kayo yung ifo-focus niya. But, they are still gonna, they are still gonna cater your questions, your curiosity, kasi nagtanong ka eh, hindi naman pwedeng baliwalain ka. Tapos, minsan, kapag walang tanong, syempre ikaw yung pala tanong, ikaw yung kukunin na, for sure, Claire has a question here. Ganun. Tapos, silent na kami lahat. Siyempre, mapapaisip ka, sige, magtatanong na naman kahit wala akong patanong kasi gusto niya ng tanong, diba? Kasi ikaw yung nagkaroon siya ng hint na, itong taong to, meron talaga itong tanong, pero nagiging silent lang or ganon. Kasi nagtatampo siguro ito, ganon. So, yeah, ganon siya. So, don't be afraid. Okay? It's totally fine. Alright? So, probe as many questions that you want para mabigyan mo ng best recommendations sa customer. And if you wanted to watch more videos like this one, just keep on commenting, guys. I'm really gonna create a video for you. You just be patient with me kasi kakagising pa lang talaga and yun, I'm gonna get to work soon yung lanyard. So, yeah. So, kita-kits on the next video. Bye for now.